Alright. Kensington Super Circuit. Here we go. These have Janus sensors, but they don't light up for some reason.
Oh. But for no reason. Oh.
Decently
I just looked. I just looked.
Alright, let's listen. Nathan's really not going to like this. He already did not like the triple chime. Now we have 4 chime. Why are they so bouncy? Elevator 2. I assume there's more elevators here, but I don't know where they are. They're probably just service elevators. I don't know if there's ones on the other side. There might be. 3,000 pound capacity, so there's probably a service elevator somewhere, maybe even a freight. I'm not gonna try to look for that though. This is says Miele systems, which means these are, I guess it's a distributor of Miele.
Systems.
It's probably a distributor. Yeah, those are Miele lanterns.
Oh, I found train.